Lidl bringing out a makeup eyebrow collection? What? What's the story, everyone? I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new makeup eyebrow collection from Lidl. So if you want to find out more about this eyebrow collection from Lidl, then keep on watching. Yet another Lidl review. I'm in love. But hey, listen, they know what they're doing. From a marketing point of view, I mean, people are sitting at home, loads of people are watching their money. Why not bring out dupes of very good products that we all love? So let's dig into this eyebrow collection from Lidl. Cien is the cosmetic and beauty brand within Lidl. So when I was walking past Lidl and I seen this collection, I was like, oh my god. It was literally the rip-off of Benefit brow makeup. Anything from the packaging to the look of display, I was like, oh my god, I need to get my hands on it. So let me show you the products that I got. I actually got my hands on all the 5 products that they have that are absolutely cheap, and I'm dying to try them out. And for a person that has absolutely no eyebrows, I am the best candidate to try out those Lidl eyebrow products. So in the whole collection we get 5 products. Now the only downfall is it only comes into 2 shades. So we have natural brown and we have a dark brown. So obviously I went for the natural brown because my hair is quite fair. So let me get you through each and every product. The first product by Cien from Lidl I'm going to present you is the eyebrow gel. Now can we look at the packaging? It's absolutely magnificent. Now I'm loving the writing, I'm loving the little logo, and I mean for $1.49 we couldn't go wrong. But is this product a heap of dirt or is it actually good? We're gonna find out. The next product I'm going to present you with is the eyebrow pomade by Lidl. Now can we look at this little beauty? I'm living for the packaging. For $2.49, which was the most expensive product from the whole range, I'm living for it. The packaging is nearly selling it for me. Can we look at the little detail of the perfect brow pomade? It's done absolutely well. But like that, is the formula good? Is it going to work well on my eyebrows? We're going to find out. Another product by Cien from Lidl for your eyebrows I'm going to present you with is Brow Perfect Brush and Pen. For $1.99 we're getting an eyebrow pencil and we're getting a spoolie with it. And like that, packaging is quite decent. We see the common theme of the black and the pink and the silver, and I'm living for it. And you know what? I actually need a new eyebrow pencil because I run out of my Morphe one. So I'm going to be finding out if this is going to be my new favorite or it's going to be a heap of dirt. Another product I'm going to be presenting you with is a product I'm not really a fan of when it comes to eyebrow routine, and I wouldn't really use it myself. But I mean, if we're going to review the whole range, we might as well do it. And that product is Brow Perfect Highlighter. For the whole $1.49, we get a highlighting pencil. Now, when it comes to highlighting pencil, I don't find they work really well for me. I never found them beneficial. Now, I think they're nice if someone has already really nice eyebrows and they just need a bit of a highlight underneath. They're perfect, but other than that, they just look cakey to me. And like that, I tend to cut my eyebrows with a concealer, so I never really find that product really good. I've reviewed the Morphe highlighting pencil, so I'm going to link that just above there. I'm dying to see if this is actually going to change my life. And the last product I'm going to present you with is Powder and Wax by Lidl. I am living for the silver hologramic packaging. It's absolutely stunning. When it comes to packaging, I think Lidl has really slayed it so far. So the 5 products cost me €8.75, which is absolutely nothing when it comes to eyebrows. So the way I'm going to try those products out is on one eyebrow I'm going to use the powder and wax because that's what I would usually do my eyebrows with. And then on the other eyebrow I'm going to use the gel. And like that, I'm not really a fan of gels, but I'm dying to try this out. And like that, then I'm going to try out a few bits with the pencil and see how that looks. So usually what I do is I'd usually try to define my eyebrows with a pencil. And then at the very end, we're going to test out the gel. Looking at the powder wax from Lidl, we get 3 grams of product, which is alright. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside, because I actually haven't looked at it. Oh, I didn't expect that. So we get a little mirror and we actually get a wax and a powder. I thought it's actually going to be just a powdery wax like the Anastasia brow product that I use. It's powder and a wax together. But no, we get powder and a wax separately. Very good. First things first, Lidl, what is this? Like, what you want me to do with this? The quality of this brush is absolutely horrific. Those little applicators are absolutely useless. So even if you were going to apply your eyebrow on that, it's just going to look horrific. So no, we're not going to use that today. We also have a little mirror, which is absolutely adorable. Now I understand the idea of the brush, because when you're on the go, you're just going to pick it up and just put it on and you have the little mirror. But, I mean, it's not going to look great. So they might as well either not give you a brush or just give you a better quality brush. So to start my eyebrows with, I'm going to apply it on a Zova 322 brush, which is a trusted friend of mine. And we're just going to dip into that color there. And like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to outline my eyebrow and start filling that in, because that's what I would normally. Okay, so there's pigmentation. There isn't actually much fallout when it comes to that. The color is rather neutral, so will work for everyone. Like, it might even work for your blondes, which is actually really good. And like that, we see the definition. And I love this brush for applying eyebrows because it's rather quick and effective. And like that, we're just going to go into my corner and we're just going to fluff that out. Alright, so it is rather fair. I probably would like a bit more deeper, but no, it is good. So the way I would normally do my makeup is I'd always start with the eyebrows and then I work my way out. So that's the way we're going to do it, because we're going to give the product very good justice. Now when it comes to the wax, I never really use waxes. Like, I don't have enough eyebrow for a wax, so I'm actually not going to try this out. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grab the pen with the spoolie. We're just going to brush that through slightly. And let's open that up. Alright, so the brush, it is rather thick when we're looking at it. So it is quite big, but like that, it's, you know what, it's just going to be quite quick to work with. So what I'm literally going to do is with the fine side, I'm literally just going to draw a few hair strokes just to give it more of a natural effect to it as such. Right, I'm just going to pick up that little mirror here. And okay, so the pencil is rather waxy, which I quite like, but you have to be quite light-handed with it. Now I'm liking the combo of the two of those products together. I'm liking this. Thank you, Lidl. I found my new eyebrow pencil. No, I really like that. That looks really, really good on me. And like that, it still looks rather natural. Moving on. Let's try eyebrow pomade. Now, me and eyebrow pomades are not friends when it comes to anything. They never look good on me. They always look really fake and cakey. But hey, let's try this out. First of all, we get this little brush. Now once again, now I do understand why brands put those brushes, but I mean, like, it's not good quality brush. It's not even pointed, so you're literally just gonna end up drawing lines around your eyebrows more than giving definition and strokes. So no, thank you. I'm not gonna use you today. So we're gonna open that up, and this is our product inside. So the color is rather light. It's going to probably work nicely on blondes. But like that, I find with pomades you have to be very light-handed because it can go quite heavy. Now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I just didn't find it helpful at all. And to apply this, I'm actually going to use a Morphe M158 brush, which is your spoolie and your angular brush. And I absolutely adore this brush. I'm just going to take a tiny product on that brush and I'm just going to put that at the back of my hand. Because I find with pomades you nearly have to work the product at the back of your hand just to warm it up. I'm loving this little component. I think it's just such a beautiful packaging and the little design and everything. Well done, Lidl. So we're just going to start at the end. We're going to make that slightly thicker and I'm just going to fade that all out. Oh, it's pigmented. So like that, there's a lot of pigment in this. Now if you like that kind of look of an eyebrow, it will be perfect, but you just really need a tiny little bit of it. You don't need much product at all. See, I don't think brow pomades work for me because they look very artificial, and when you don't have an eyebrow, it nearly looks like you're literally just drawn it with a Sharpie using them, and it's very hard to make it look natural. But I still prefer to the Anastasia one, because the Anastasia one, it's literally like concrete. I don't like it at all. And like that, what we're gonna do is we're literally just gonna fade that color up and down, just to make it a bit more natural looking. Now, it doesn't look too bad. It's definitely very 2 years ago when it comes to that eyebrow, but as a product, I think it's very good. It worked really, really well on my skin, and the color is absolutely beautiful. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to cut around my eyebrows, because that's what I would normally do when it comes to my eyebrows. Buff them out, and then I'm going to do my makeup. And to buff them out of my eyebrows, I'm going to just take my Tarte Shape Tape, and that's a shade light neutral at the back of my hand. And with the use of Inglot 22 T brush, I'm going to cut around the eyebrows. So I'm literally just going to load a tiny bit of product at the back of my hand and literally just cut around that. Do you know what? Sometimes when you look at eyebrows, they just look mental, but once you finish your whole makeup, it all starts to make sense. The world nearly makes sense when your whole face is done. And we're going to do the same on this eyebrow. Now, I'm really, really in love with this eyebrow. I think this natural look is really working for me, and like that, natural eyebrows are really in at the moment. The bushier, the better. And then I'm going to take a Zova concealer brush, and I'm just going to buff that all into my skin. And as we can see, as I'm buffing that out, it's all starting to make sense. Right, so I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera. We're going to come back, and I'm going to try out the eyebrow gel. And we're back. I finished my makeup, put a bit of foundation, concealer, and only a tiny bit of highlighter, just a tiny little bit, because I don't like to wear too much of it. But as we can see, the eyebrows look a lot more better. Now, I'm kind of liking this eyebrow when it's done. It kind of goes with the look. It's very sharp, but like that, the color is quite heavy. However, this eyebrow looks absolutely beautiful. It's very me, it's very natural, it's very subdued looking. So it's definitely an eyebrow I would wear, and the color is perfect. Right, so let's try out the gel now. The wand is absolutely magnificent. Let's have a look how small it is and how precise it is. Now, this is a very good wand if you're asking me. Let's put that on my eyebrow. And we're just gonna apply that onto my eyebrow. Okay, so the color of it is rather warm. So it's not as neutral as you would think. I did hear that the dark brown is a lot more cooler. But no, like, the product is good. It's doing its job. But the color, it is warm, do you know? Like, this is really after warming up that eyebrow. If we look at this eyebrow and this eyebrow, this is a lot warmer. And you know what? It's such a shame because the formula is good and it's doing the job, but the color is very warm. So let me try this on this eyebrow just so I don't have one an auburn eyebrow and the other one really brown and ashy. Oh, and it was going so well, lads. Like, I really thought this is going to be the product I will fall in love with and I'm going to start using. Well, that's disappointing, isn't it? Well, sure, listen, what can you do? It is Lidl after all. Right, so the next product I'm going to try out is the brow highlighter. We'll see if it's going to do anything for me. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to highlight under my eyebrow. Oh, it's rather thick. Let's have a look how thick that is. Now we'll see how the shade of the highlighter is going to look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint that underneath my eyebrow. And you know what? The colour is actually lovely. Like, the colour isn't too bad. Now, it is very much like your cream highlighter. So I'd say you could even use it on your cheeks. Like, what I would probably do is I'll just take that and just really rub it into my cheeks and just leave it. It's much, much nicer than the pencil from Morphe. And the formula is really soft. Lidl's after changing my mind about highlighting pencils. And the colour is working really well. So no, I'm shook. Lidl is after changing my mind. I'm obsessed with Lidl now. Right, so let's look at the two eyebrows. So when we look at this one, now the structure is a lot heavier. It is a good looking eyebrow. The eyebrow does look good. and this one is a lot more natural and softer. Let me go through product by product and tell you my thoughts. So we started with the powder and the wax. Now I'm living for the packaging. For the money it is. I think it's absolutely glorious. The colour is perfect. The formula is perfect. I love the mirror. The packaging is stunning. Now I probably wouldn't use the wax, but you know what? This product is spicy and I'm living for it and I'm going to use it a lot more. Thank you, Lidl. Now, next product. It would be the brow and brush. Now, lads, this is brilliant. I definitely think it's a hit. The colour is perfect. The formula is perfect. It done what it's meant to do. And like that, we get a spoolie. And do you know what? You could never have enough spoolies. Because I love brushing my eyebrows that I don't have. So now, I'll definitely rate this product as spicy. Now we have the brow pomade. Mine is the brush. The brush, we know it's dirt. It was hard. It's not going to do anything. Now the colour is good. It's definitely a light brown. I wouldn't probably recommend it for anyone blonde. So just make sure your hair is dark blonde or brown or light brown. So I think it's going to work really, really well. Because it is dark enough. Now it doesn't work for me because I'm just not a fan of pomades in my eyebrows. But overall the product is good. We have the brow gel. Now to me, this is a very, very big disappointment. And do you know what? The whole range is so good for €8.75. And like that, the colour of it is just meh. This colour is very warm and the rest of the natural browns are very cool. So I don't know really what happened there. But I'm going to actually try it out when I just have my no eyebrows on and just brush the hair and see how that looks. It's going to look probably very natural. But I wouldn't recommend it over your painted eyebrows because it just changes the colour. Like this eyebrow, it just looks so much warmer. So now sadly, dirt. Now when it comes to the highlighting pencils, thank you Lidl, you're after changing my life. I've hated the one from Morphe. I was like, I just don't see the point of it. Like you could even highlight your nose with it, do you know? Or even around your cupid's bow. Like look at my lips now. So you could literally just, oh, this is what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to use it for my lips. Like literally just highlight it there and you just look magnificent. So now this product for $1.49, I mean, can't go wrong. Overall, Lidl is slaying once again the game when it comes to skincare and makeup. I would highly recommend the products I thought were spicy. Now, if you found the brow gel any good, please let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts about it. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found it rather interesting, useful, and you learned something from it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my other social media. And of course, guys, please take care. Bye.